Hi friends, good afternoon. Today we will discuss about Camt053 bank to customer statement. What are the content should be available in my PPT, purpose of the message, scope of the message, one simple example flow, structure of the message. These all the details should be available in my PPT. Before going to this topic, I will plan to conduct one day business analyst workshop as well as a 3-month business analyst course for who are all plan to switch their career from IT business analyst job. In case the people working in banking operation job or either night shift or BPO or testing job, they plan to switch over the career from business analyst. Kindly join this course. This course will be very minimum cost. I will provide more exposure for your career development. Just we will talk about Camt053 purpose of the message. What purpose the Camt053 should be generated? Because account owner need to understand what kind of transaction should be done from day by day in their account. So the reason we generate for the Camt053. Camt053 message based only, the account owner can able to understand what kind of transaction done from this specific account. Any saving account or credit current account or trade account. Okay, what kind of transaction would be done? What are the debit entries should be happen? What are the credit entries should be happen? All the ledger and bookkeeping should be maintained in this Camt053 bank to customer statement message. This Camt053 customer statement message only for the communication between the bank and account owner. Okay, that just pause, the information should be the bank to account owner. The details provided for all type of account, current account, saving account, trade account or demat account, whatever the account they maintain for the bank side, they can able to see that what kind of transaction done from this specific account. Okay, and this Camt053 contain two segment. Okay, group many segment is there, majorly two content is there, two segment it's required. Okay, group header as well as a statement header. Okay, group header at least contain one statement. Okay, because only any debit or credit entries are happen after only the bank should be generated for the Camt053. So the reason at least one statement and the specific amount, at least one transaction should be happen, either the debit or credit transaction should be happen. The Camt053 should be maintained based on the customer own format, otherwise bank use their format. Okay, this is not a standard format. Okay, based on the customer preference, otherwise bank share that format to that customer. Okay, based on the format. Okay, the Camt053 format should be different from this bank to bank because it's not a unique format. It's not a unique format. Okay, based on the customer preference or either the based on the bank should be prefer their own format. Based on the only Camt053 message should be generated. Okay, Camt053 should be adopt for all the legacy system and the API payment, all those things. Okay, next, what is the scope of the message? Camt053 should be generated only for the customer statement. Already I said that only for the customer statement, the specific customer can able to understand what are the transactions done from this specific account. Okay, what is the Camt053 equivalent MT 940? Already said that Camt053 based on the customer preference it should be generated. Okay, suppose the customer that we need to generate for the daily basic, weekly basic or monthly basic, no other by fortnight basic. What are the condition the customer given? Based on the customer condition, the bank should be generated and the customer can able to prepare their own format also. Okay, I need for only for the opening balance, closing balance, and what are the field details required in customer side, they given the field details. Based on the field details of the bank should be generated. Okay, what is the need of Camt053? Camt053 based on the Camt053 only the account owner can able to understand what are the entries happen for the specific account. That is the basic need. Okay, without Camt053 the account owner cannot able to understand what are the entries happen in this specific account, how much amount should be credited, how much amount should be debited, what is the opening balance, what is the closing balance, what are the transactions done for the day by day. These are all the details could be see only for the Camt053. Okay, based on the Camt053 only the account owner can able to see all the details. Okay, already I said that structure of the message, group header and statement is there. Okay, in the statement you can able to see that at least one entry. Okay, in one entry. Okay, what any debit entry or credit entry, at least you can able to see that one entry. You can able to see the balance of the account. Okay, opening balance, closing balance. Okay, opening advance, closing balance, closing advance balance, all should you can able to see that statement. You can able to see that what are the transactions done from the day by day. Okay, any single transaction or multiple transaction or how many transactions should be done for the specific account, you can able to see the details. Okay, I could elaborate for that concept. Okay, what is a group header and this kind of concept I should be elaborate. Okay, Group header, you can able to see that message identification, creation date, timestamp, message reception, message pagination. These are the information you can able to see that group header information. Statement, you can able to see that unique identifier, electronic sequence number, creation date, form date, account balance, entry, you can able to see that. Okay, balance already said that the opening balance, closing available balance, opening available balance, lost closing balance, interim booked balance, and debit balance, credit balance, date, balance amount with currency, credit debit indicator. These are the details you can able to see the balance state. And the entry, you can able to see that what are the entries should be happen, debit entry or credit entry, transaction amount and currency, booking date, transaction date, value date, and account service reference number, bank transaction node, additional information indicator, message name indicator, entry details, additional entry information. These are the details you can able to see that statement line. Okay, next we will go to the concept of simple example flow. Okay, before go to the concept, I am from biggest corporate. Okay, either TCS, Wipro, Amazon, any corporate you take down. Okay, I need to I have made the transaction with the many bank. Okay, a JP Morgan, a BNY Mellon, Barclays, and a Standard Chartered Bank, Wells Fargo. I made the transaction for many bank, but my statement should be generated only for the Citibank. I provide the condition. Okay, on the time what will happen? All the receiver bank is there now, JP Morgan or Barclays Bank or Wells Fargo, they send the statement to Citibank, and Citibank's collateral all the statement and send to the specific corporate. That concept is called the concentrating banking, because the specific corporate get the statement from the many bank, it should be missed out from account department or some problem has happened. So the reason what they did in their side, all the account statement should be collateral and sent to the centralized institution, and centralized institution forward that specific account statement to specific corporate. That one concept it is there, concentrating banking. Next one, simple example, direct banking and indirect banking. Okay, take down this example. We know textile industry need to get the money from Rahul government industry from UAE. Okay, Rahul send the money to 15k AD. On the time what will happen in case that debtor bank is a SBI India, creditor bank is a Citibank UAE. Both the bank have a direct relationship. The transaction should be processed easily, and Rahul send the money to Vinod. The amount should be credited to the Vinod account, and Camt053 should be generated based on the customer preference or bank standard format. Next, we know need to collect 15k to Rahul governments from Dubai. Okay, both the bank don't have a direct relationship. On the time what will happen, instructing agent, instructed agent, and these all the parties involved. Again, the transaction should be flow from Rahul to Vino. Same Camt053 should be generated. In this Camt053 should be preferred based on the customer format or bank standard format. Next slide, all the video I'll tell that this format MT to MX. Okay, 20 center reference number, instructing ID, transaction reference number, transaction ID, time indicator, settlement time indicator, 23 bank operation code, and 23 instruction code, value date, currency code, settlement amount, interbank settlement amount, ordering customer we call the debtor, ordering institution we call the debtor agent, sender correspondent we call the instructing agent, receiver correspondent we call the instructed agent, 56 intermediate we call the intermediate agent, account with institution we call the creditor agent, beneficiary institution we call the creditor, beneficiary we call the creditor, sender to receive information, backify or instructing for the next agent. Thanks for watching this video. In case you required for this course, please kindly provide your comments and contact with my email ID. Thank you so much for your support for these many days.